a subscriber. If you're an earthy, then you know I drink a smoothie every single morning, and I show you guys that in my what I eat in a day videos. So today I'm just going to show you guys like 2 of my staple recipes that definitely helped me on my weight loss journey. I always start my morning with a fruit-based meal. Smoothies are a quick meal replacement. They're going to start off your day super healthy. Let's get right into it. So good. This smoothie is so refreshing and just undescribable. Like, you have to try this. The mango, the pineapple, the orange juice, the ginger, like it all comes together so amazingly. This smoothie is amazing for people who live in colder climates like me. You know, we need the sun, we need vitamin C, vitamin D. So when you drink a smoothie like this, you are allowing your body to get some of the immunity boost that you need. So yeah, try out this smoothie and on to the next one. You can add almond butter to this. I love a berry smoothie, okay y'all? The dates add like that little bit of sweetness. If you like your smoothies on the sweeter side, you can add an extra date. The chia seeds add so much fiber to this. It adds omegas. It's a superfood. It's gonna help you burn fat. The yogurt is gonna add like a creaminess to it. It's perfect for the morning, perfect for a pre-workout. I'm telling y'all gotta try these smoothies. It is definitely gonna help you on your weight loss journey. If you try to drink a smoothie every morning, I promise you, you are gonna see results with your weight loss when you can learn to replace those bagels and that sugary coffee with healthy fruit-based smoothies. This was definitely an easy hack for me. Just learning to start my day with a smoothie, very simple, and then after my smoothie, I usually move on to an avocado toast, or I can have some tea, or I can make a salad or something for lunch. But yeah, I just wanted to put y'all on to 2 of my favorite weight loss smoothies. If you guys try out any of these recipes, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.